Hello everyone. First of all, I will start this video with paying a heartful gratitude to Manoj sir, who has started who has started GG Teaching WhatsApp group during the lockdown period with an intention to spread the light into the entire world when this physical world is going through the darkness. And secondly, I want to pay my heartful gratitude to Nalini Ma, who had made me introduced to this divine group. And what uh, value this group had added into my life is inexplainable in the words. I can't express my feelings because when I made it join this group, my life was going from the uncertainties from all the levels. Either it is relationship, either it is career, either it is financial, and I was all stuck and confused. Where should I where should I take my steps forward? And through the guidance of Manoj sir, in this period of and only in 18 days, 12th of April I had joined, and till 30th April, my consciousness, my awareness was so much raised, and it had instilled a self confidence in me that yes, I will lead the way, I will lead the life the way I want to. I can take the decisions with with the conviction कि मुझे आगे कैसे बढ़ना है, क्या करना है, किस डायरेक्शन में करना है. और सबसे ज़्यादा और हर एस्पेक्ट के ऊपर जो है मुझे अपना एक इम्प्रूवमेंट फील हुआ. इधर इट इज़ इमोशनल बेसिस, इधर इट इज़ फिज़िकल, मेंटल. अगर फिज़िकल हेल्थ के बारे में बात करूँ तो इट्स विद इन 2 days all of my joint pains, the swelling, the inflammation in the joints have gone like a miracle. It's like a magic happened to me. And emotional health, yes, I felt I had experienced fluctuations in my emotional health, but at the last day of the GG teaching, I found myself quite stable. That yes, whatever the decision I have to take because of the real happenings of my life, I can take the decisions with confidence, with complete confidence. On mental level, I have got the clarity. What should I do? How should I do? और उसके साथ साथ सब लोगों से अपने आप ही मतलब मिलना हो गया. वो सब लोग जुड़ते चले गए कि जिस डायरेक्शन में मुझे चलना है. And it had added so much value into my life. इस जीजी टीचिंग के ने ही मुझे जो है अपने आप से मिलवाया. एक सेल्फ लव कि मेरी वर्थ क्या है, मैं क्या हूँ, which I had been struggling since childhood. I had got this. और yes, now I can completely believe on the thing. It's like I am a drop of that consciousness, and I have all those abilities and qualities within me, and I just need to brush up all those low vibrational feelings and emotions, and I can emerge up into the very beautiful a vibrant soul. And what Manoj sir is all doing